Hey everyone, we are here with our another video. Welcome you all to our channel, A Word a Day. Let's go on with our last personality trait for the week. It is exuberant. Exuberant. The meaning is full of energy and excitement. The other words that you can use instead of exuberant is excited, high-spirited, elated, exalted, and many more. The examples are the travel writer was exuberant to write about India. Even though he's not a great cricketer, but he's always exuberant on the field. This world belongs to the energetic. So stay energetic and active all the time. Don't show your laziness to like, share and subscribe our videos. Support our channel with all the exuberance. Don't miss out the Sunday special video tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.